Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, thank you so much for clicking. So today we are making plantain cheese and we are using unripe plantain. So in this video I'm using 5 unripe plantains. You have to wash your plantain before cutting. And also in this video I made 2 different types of plantain cheese. I made the round one and the long one. And I was not using any machineries. I just used my hand. You can use your hand to do it. If you have a gadget at home, you can also use it, because for the round one I used a gadget and I also used my hand, which you'll be seeing in a minute. Please let me know where you are watching this video from at the comment section. Thank you. This is the gadget I'm using for the first type, the round one. This is the gadget I'm using. And you can also use your hand with your knife, which I'll be showing you, just like this. It's very easy, and also like this, very simple and fast. I use 3 methods of cutting plantain in this video, so if you cannot do one, you can definitely do the other. I'm doing the long type, so you can also use your knife. But I will advise you to use some equipment for this, because if you don't know how to cut this, it will be so difficult, and it needs to be very tiny so that after frying it will be strong. I actually struggle with this type because with unripe plantain it's difficult to cut without a gadget. So I will advise, if you are doing commercial, you want to sell it, you have to have a gadget at home and equipment that you can use to cut it, because with unripe plantain, only when you are a prof you can actually cut it very well. So here I'm adding my oil. Yes, the oil needs to be much because we need to deep fry the plantain. Allow the oil to hot for a minute before adding your plantain, just like this. So in this video I did not add salt at the beginning. I added salt after frying. There are a lot of ways to add salt. You can add salt before frying or after frying. A lot of people use different methods to add their salt, but in this video I added salt after frying, which I'll be showing you in a minute. So here my plantain is frying, and then you have to turn it maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Here it's ready, crunchy and dried, very very dry. You see that golden color? That is what we want. It should be golden and beautiful. So yeah, I'm frying the other type. So this type you have to be careful when adding it into your hot oil, because they can join together because it's long. So you have to be careful. You can add it gradually, or when adding it you have to spread it. So my people, if today is the first time you are watching my video, thank you so much. I really appreciate for you clicking this video. Please don't make it your last. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it to your friends and loved ones. Please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed it. You see that golden brown, guys, so beautiful. That is what we want. It should be dry, crunchy, and have this golden color. Beautiful. And I'm adding my salt. I told you that I added the salt after frying. So there are many ways you can add salt to your plantain cheese. Voila, guys, look at that, look at that. Won't you buy this in the market? It's so beautiful, crunchy, so was so delicious and I enjoyed it, and it was even my first time making plantain chips. I enjoyed it and I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Thank you so much for watching. I see you in our next one. Bye.